This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 40 of building Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet. On this issue, we're continuing around the base of the arm section. What does it call it? The forearm. Center of the forearm, part 7. After looking at the Power Stone. That's the red one? Is that, yeah, I don't know. Actually, it's probably the yellow one, judging by the fact it's got the yellow all over it. Well, I thought yellow was mined, but I don't know. But you can read all about it. It looks white in the pictures, but yeah. There we go. Center of the forearm is what we're going to be doing. We're attaching that to this piece. We've got another base piece, which we're not doing anything with, but I will have a look at it. And that's what we're going to be ending up with. The celestial progenitors. I couldn't read the word to begin with. Progenitors. That's like the forerunners, the first, the ones before. Interesting stuff you can read all about if you like. Is that 2 pages? Yes, there's 2 pages. Look, you nearly missed a page if you were pausing and reading. You can have that one. There you go. And Al Ewing, cartographer, maps, isn't it? Maybe it's just drawing. I'm not sure. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's have a look at the base piece and let's get the other rim fitted. So this is what we're going to be fitting. But first of all, we have another section of the base. It's obviously branded and got the nice logo on there. Now, looking at that in relation to the other part that we've got, I reckon that this is the inside of that, because the screw holes line up. So that's going to go in there and obviously be held together. And that gives us a positioning for the bracket and the tube to affix from underneath. Not sure what those bits are for on the top there, but that's how that's going to work. So I shall keep that to one side. But we need to fit this. And now we've got another bag of screws. We're only going to be using 3 of these this time. It's 3. I've put my magazine away without actually reading it. I did read it, but then I put it away and thought, that's easy. I can do that without. Yes, 3 screws will hold this in place. Let me keep hold of that so I know where they're going to go. This is going to fit there. And obviously we've got the folded over rim piece that goes on there. It goes on the inside there and sort of matches up to the middle. Yeah, we've got holes that are going to overlap other holes. And that goes on there all the way in. Like that. Not like that. Like that. Wait, what? Further down than that. No, further in than that. Wait, what? I'm all confused now. Thought I knew where it was going to go, but then it didn't. Those 2 have got to line up over there. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I was going a little bit too far in. That goes over that bit. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 screws that will hold that in place at the moment. Yeah, that's just a cover over that screw. It looks like it was going to be a screw, but it's not. So, yeah. That's going to go on there. Thusly. Come on. I've literally just done it. Why can I not do it again? That lines up there, and that lines up there. And everything else should just slot into place. Come on. Feels about right, but it's not quite right. Why is that not right there? There. There we go. So that is that. So I shall get the 3 screws out and then get the 3 screws in. Nice and easy. I'm going to go for the end one there first. We go there. I'll tighten that up momentarily. One there. Like that. And the last one, being aware of the angle that it goes in at, over there. So once I get those tightened up, that will be that done, and it's already blending in and making it even deeper than I thought that was going to be. So that's how the end of that is going to look. We're going to probably do the same the other side next time, and that will be the front of it basically done, won't it? The size of it, it's ridiculous. That's without even the finger bits. This is just, it's massive. Right, that's that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.